plan of sending me to the red planet has failed. Now let's make many thunderbolts. Wow. I didn't know you liked to brush.
No. You just wait until I get my insta-obliterate.
Wait, what? Oh crap. Hey Vibropod. I just got out of the nursing station. Thanks 53 Ledge. No problem. Anyways, what are you working on?
I've been working on this tank for a full 2 weeks. And I think it's about ready to be deployed. Yeah? Oh my god, we gotta save 1003 in the tank. Now.
Say goodbye to your life, Psycho.
Yes, it worked. Thanks. Now where's our payment? Here, thank you. Now to take care of some important business.